What's up? So I'm back. I'm trying to do this kind of quickly because tomorrow I got the day off again. So let me put this down so you guys can see. I got the hardcore DIY pillar pod gauges. So I got mom yelling in the background. Extra cable, vacuum line, tools that you're gonna need are some pliers and some wire cutters so you can splice everything together. So I'm just doing like supporting things. There goes that to get the power for the gauges. Throttle body cleaner, and what is this? What is this? Oh, this right here. So this is gonna be an install for boost and air fuel ratio. We got the cables right here. I'll link everything down below. So you have to take everything out. Got my catch can there. I hope you guys enjoy that install. I'm gonna take the intercooler off, and then there's a little. I'll just show you. I'll be right back. All right. So you see that grommet right here? That one right there is gonna go down the firewall up, and it's gonna go into the pillar. And so you just get a flathead screwdriver, and then you're gonna want to tee this piece right here with another vacuum line, with the actual vacuum line that's gonna go through there. And then I am going to put the Bosch air fuel ratio wideband O2 sensor into that bong, and I'm gonna wire it up. All right, so let me show you. So unfortunately, the power does not work. I need to reroute power on it. Let me see. I don't know where I'm gonna wire it. It's too late right now, so you guys are gonna see this tomorrow morning. And that's the continuation of today, but it's I mean, the boost gauge works, so that's good. I just need the power, which is not working right now, so I have no idea what the hell is going on. So I'll be right back. I'll be back with that. Okay, so see you guys. Peace. See you in the morning. All right, so hope you guys like this install video. It was actually pretty simple, but a little time consuming because some of the items were too. I had to find a few little parts here and there, but pretty straightforward. I also did change my intake manifold gasket because it was giving me some problems. I'm pretty sure there is a vacuum leak somewhere in the car, but I don't know, so I'm gonna have a buddy of mine check it out, help me out finding it, because I need the boost. I'm actually only running about 10 psi. Its stock is 14, so we'll see how it goes. It's just little touch-ups here and there that I need to do. Like I had a screw that was right here, but there's a bracket, a metal bracket literally right there to mount this thing, so I'm probably gonna move it up a little bit right here, make sure this is tight on there. But besides that, everything is very smooth. Everything works. Down here is a little clean. Honestly, this cable is just for my access port, and I need to find a way to. I'm probably gonna run it in here somewhere, make it go through here, and I'm just gonna clean up little things here and there. Probably find a way to get this to charge without having this port right here, because I like closing this. This gets in the way very, very much. So I'll have those for next videos. I'll try to. I'm not an electrical genius. Like honestly, I don't know wiring or anything like that. Everything that I do, I never went to school with. Honestly, I'm just finding it out myself. Nausiac on the Subaru page over here in San Diego, SD Subies. And YouTube, honestly, a little bit of the videos that I find where I need help are there, but everything that I found, all of the wiring, the gauges I bought off Facebook. Somebody off Facebook had them on his Evo 8 or Evo 9, I don't know what it was again. Bought that off of there. It was just the gauges. I bought the cables and all the wiring separately, so I'll have the links down below to everything. They even come in a bundle, which I think it's a little cheaper like that, but I bought both gauges for $100, for 100, maybe a little less. I don't remember. The wires and the gaskets, the harnesses and the actual O2 sensor, the wideband sensor, were separate. So I have the links down below, and if you want, that'll help out the channel a lot if you guys purchase from there. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.